Coming up, Alexis will tell her story about how she became a convicted felon. But first, we sent our teens out on the street to ask you questions about your rights.
You have 30 basic rights that, as a human, you are entitled to. So, what rights do you think you have?
I don't know.
Well, let's see.
I don't know.
Freedom of speech and
I think I have rights to freedom of speech, freedom of choice. I should be able to say whatever I want, express my opinions.
Speech, life, liberty, the ones on the Constitution.
Freedom of speech. To vote. And that's all I know.
The rights would be like life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness.
I mean, being in public and just like going around being an idiot is just, I think that's my right.
The right to get a job, the right to be able to express yourself, the right to do what you want, well, within a limit, obviously, to do what you want, wear what you want, and be where you want.
Your human rights are declared within what document? A. The Magna Carta of 1215. B. The Declaration of Independence of 1776. C. The United Nations Declaration of 1948. D. All of the above. E. None of the above.
Declarations of Independence of 1776.
B. I'm gonna have to go with E.
A, probably.
D?
D.
B. The Declaration of Independence of 1776.
B. Declaration of Independence. Declaration of Independence.
I call it B. The Declaration of Independence of 1776.
None of the above?
Wasn't the Magna Carta like the inspiration for like? Yeah, so I'm gonna say all of the above.
The answer is D. All of the above. Each of us has basic rights and freedoms to which all humans are entitled. Here's an example. Of these 3 human rights, which one do you feel is most commonly ignored? A. Right number 2. Don't discriminate. B. Right number 7. We're all equal before the law. C. Right number 19. Freedom of expression.
I'm going to say right number 2.
Right number 2?
I think right number 2, don't discriminate, because there's still tons of discrimination going on wherever you go.
I think freedom of expression.
I think right number 7, we're all equal before the law, because I mean that kind of incorporates right number 2 and right number 19 in a way.
Right number 2, because a lot of people do discriminate, and I don't think it's right. I'm gonna have to say right number 2, don't discriminate.
Right number 7, we're all equal before the law.
Right number 2, don't discriminate.
Right number 2, don't discriminate.
Definitely right number 2, don't discriminate. There's discrimination everywhere. In every town you can go, you can find some discrimination happening.